What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about a bike that truly earns its nickname, the Beast. This is the KTM 1290 Super Duke R, and it's an absolute monster on two wheels. Just look at this thing sharp, aggressive lines, that signature orange frame. It screams performance from a standstill. Underneath, it's packing a massive 1,301cc V8 engine that delivers mind-blowing torque right from the get-go. It's got some killer tech too, like a full-color TFT display, multiple ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS to keep all that power in check. So, how fast is it? Top speed is electronically limited, but you're looking at comfortably hitting over 170 miles per hour. This isn't just a straight-line missile, though it's built for carving corners. As for the price, you're looking at a premium for this level of performance. Starting around $20,000. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more.